How to install Linux operating system. Plug in bootable USB drive into your PC and reboot it. Head over to the BIOS settings by pressing the F2 key. Set the boot order with your USB drive at the very top of the boot priority. Then save the changes and exit. By doing this, your computer will be restarted. The installer will perform some file system integrity checks. This can take a while, so just be patient. Shortly after, the graphical installer will pop up and present you with two options. Try Xubuntu and install Xubuntu. Since our goal is to install Xubuntu, click on Install Xubuntu. After you see the keyboard layout menu, just use the default option, which is American keyboard for Malaysian keyboard format. Click Continue. To speed up installation process, I will use default selection for the wireless settings, so just click Continue button. Next, click on Continue button. The installer provides two options for installing Xubuntu. The first option, which is erase disk and install Xubuntu. By selecting this option, it will wipe out your entire disk along with any files and programs. It also automatically partitions your disk and is recommended for those who are unfamiliar with the manual partitioning of a hard drive. If you are familiar with this Linux operating system, you can choose something else for creating manual partition. For this guide, we will choose erase disk and install Xubuntu as default setting. So, click on Install Now button. Click Continue on the pop-up dialog to write changes to the disk and proceed with the installation. In the next step, specify your geographical location. If you are connected to the internet, the installer will automatically detect your region. We can click on the map based on our location. After that, click on Continue. Next, create a login user by filling in your user details such as your PC's name, username, and password, and click on Continue. The installer will begin by copying all the files required by Xubuntu. It will then install and configure all the software packages from the installation media. This process can take a while depending on your computer specification. Once the installation is complete, you can now remove your bootable USB drive and then click on Restart Now. Once the system reboots, a login GUI will be displayed as follows. You will be required to provide your password to access the desktop. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be ushered to the XFCE desktop environment. From here, you can explore your new system and try out a couple of tweaks to enhance the look and feel and performance of your computer system. We have successfully walked you through the installation of Xubuntu operating system.